Welcome to Mofai Dharbad YouTube channel. Here you can watch how to prepare delicious and spicy drumstick sambar. Let's see ingredients first. I use 8 to 10 pieces of drumstick, 1 tomato, little jaggery, 1 bowl tamarind juice, a few pieces of coconut, curry leaves, half teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt, garlic, mustard, 1 green chili, coriander, 3 cloves and half inch of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of MTR sambar masala, 4 to 5 teaspoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of MTR rasam powder, half teaspoon of hing. Now take grinder jar and use coconut, green chili, cloves and cinnamon, garlic, cumin seeds, curry leaves to grind. The mixture is very perfect. Heat the oil. Add mustard, curry leaves, hing, and grinded mixture. Stir it well. Add turmeric, red chili powder. Stir well. Immediately pour the tamarind juice. Add jaggery, salt, before only I boiled the pieces of drumstick. For only 1 whistle I boiled those in cooker. I'm adding boiled dal. I use 1 bowl of tur dal for boiling. Add sambar masala and rasam powder. Mix it well. Add coriander. Let it be boiled for 4 to 5 minutes. Very delicious and spicy drumstick sambar is ready. Boil it very properly. Serve it with rice. Color is very nice. Wow, I want to have it now only.